Hi, my name is David Campbell, and today I'm going to demonstrate Packet Tracer 9.3.5, troubleshooting a wireless connection. Objective: identify and correct any misconfigurations of a wireless device. So the first thing we're going to do is check all PCs, and we're going to examine the IP configuration of the PCs. So we're going to go to PC1, desktop, go to command prompt, and then we're going to do the IP space slash, or excuse me, IP config space slash all. And in real life, we would have to type all this information in, but since we're using, looks like I was not able to get my IP config, so we're having some issues right there. We're checking PC2. We're not getting any information right there, so we're having some problems with the wireless devices. Let's check the hardwire connections. And I can see exactly why we're not getting any. Just as I said, IP config slash all. And we are able to check that. And I just want to go we are able to get a configuration with that. Here you have a configuration with that right there. So we're not having conflicts with the IP address being set up, which it automatically should be setting up. So let's just check here. And we're getting a error. Okay, so we are able to check out the IP addresses. Now we are able to check out the wireless settings. So what we're going to do is we're going to access the config tab on our Linksys router. Excuse me, this is just the name. We're going to go check out the graphical user interface. And we're just going to scroll down. The DHCP server is not enabled, so we're going to enable it. Save our settings. Very important to do that. Go to our wireless. Where our mixed, that's our SSID number, is Academy. Our SSID broadcast is enabled, so our computer should be able to see this. Let's check out our wireless security. This is very important. Our security mode is WEP. Our encryption is 40 by 64-bit 10-dex hexadecimal. Our passphrase is blank. And our key 1 is ABC123 DE45. Now I have that saved right here because that's going to be coming in handy shortly. So we just want to make sure what the settings on the router is, and then we're going to configure the PCs, the wireless PCs, to that router. So let us just check right here. As you see, our adapter is inactive since we're not getting any type of signal to the router. So let us connect. We're going to refresh. We're going to look for any SSIDs out there, and the only one out there is Academy. So we're going to connect to that. Our passphrase, our security is WEP. Our WEP encryption is 64-bit. and our WEP key 1 is ABC, so we're going to connect. And you've just seen right there, we just got some radio waves connecting to our router. And let us just make sure that this is working. So we're going to go to a URL, which will be the ciscolearn.more.com. So we're going to go to web browser, type in this URL, whereas in my case I'm going to click and paste. And for some reason I'm not getting a URL. So let's check PC2. We got that URL. Let me just double check this. Ah, there we go. We are actually able to go on to a website, the ciscolearn.more.com. And I'm just going to configure this and we're going to check our results. Congratulations, and we have completed this activity. This concludes Packet Tracer 9.3.5.